That the Assam government recently decided to promulgate a law to make the Assamese language compulsory in all schools, both public and private, including the Kendriya Vidyalayas from classes 1 to 10. Stop. The state governor has already given a formal assent to the cabinet's decision. Stop. However, the law will not be applicable in Barak Valley, Bodoland Council and other 6th scheduled areas where Bengali, Bodo and other indigenous languages will take precedence. Stop. The within single quote Assamese nationalists are of course happy. Stop. Some are even demanding for it to be made compulsory in the exempted areas. Stop. However, none of them is talking about what effects it will have on communities such as the Missings, Deoris, Ravas, and the other smaller tribes and their mother tongues. Stop para. Statistical data have often been used as a tool to construct the linguistic hierarchy and homogenization in a region. Stop. This in turn becomes an element crucial for constructing and stabilizing the regional political economic hegemonies. Stop. We have seen that happen in North India with the census driven communal split of Hindi Urdu, presuming Muslims to be Urdu speakers while Hindus to be Hindi speakers. Stop. Crucially, these politics marginalized languages such as Magadhi, Awadhi, Bhojpuri, Garhwali with their rich literary and linguistic traditions as mere dialects of the Hindi language. Stop. And this was a political number game to ensure the dominance of Hindi and Hindi Hindu elites nationally. Stop para. A similar approach is also evident in Assam. Stop. Census data are often used to portray a within single quote danger to the Assamese language dash the within single quote infiltration of Bengali speaking communities is considered to be the primary reason. Stop. The number of Assamese speakers as per the 2011 census comes to 48.38% of the population. Stop. In 1971, the percentage of speakers was at 60.89%. Stop. So it seems the number of Assamese speakers considerably declined in these 4 decades. Stop. But these data need to be looked at empirically. Stop. It has to be noted that most tribal communities speak Assamese but retain their own respective languages as their mother tongues. Stop. For example, in the Missing tribe, which I belong to, a large majority speak Assamese. Stop. This is not because of school education, but mainly because of the fact that Assamese is the dominant market language, at least in the Brahmaputra Valley. Stop para. The imposition of Assamese has had adverse effects on tribal languages, especially on those which do not enjoy any constitutional protection. Stop. Tribal languages are generally on a steady decline. Stop. For instance, while the Missing tribe reported a rate of increase of 41.13% in the number of speakers in the 2001 census, by 2011 it was merely 14.28%. Stop. Similarly, the Deoris, which reported a decadal increase of 56.19% in the 2001 census, the increase percentage by 2011 had declined to 15.79%. Stop. It is to be noted that only the Dibongia clan of the Deoris now speak the language. Stop. The Ravas community provides for a more curious case. Stop. The community reported an increase of 18.23% in the number of speakers in the 2001 census. Stop. By 2011, the number of speakers had decreased to minus 15.04%, almost completely obliterating the language. Stop. Other tribes such as the Sonowal Kacharis and Tiwas have almost completely lost their languages. Stop para. Tribal communities since long have been demanding linguistic and territorial protection and attention from the state government. Stop. On October 30, 1985, the government of Assam, in response to a long struggle by the missing community through a gazette notification, introduced the missing language as an additional subject in classes 3 and 4 in the missing dominated areas. Stop para. Also, additionally, it was to be the medium of instruction at the primary level. Stop. The Assam government was supposed to take up various tasks such as appointing missing language teachers, translating books into missing, and also introducing missing textbooks. Stop. But only 230 teachers were appointed till 1994, after which the whole process came to a halt. Stop. Further, the agreed upon clause of introducing missing as the medium of instruction never took off. Stop para. Tribal communities have always resisted attempts of forced homogenization. Stop. It was in response to the official language bill in 1960 that the Khashi, along with other tribal communities, started protesting, ultimately leading to the formation of Meghalaya. Stop. The Bodo movement for autonomy also finds its roots in this bill. Stop. Tribes have often highlighted that the within single quote Assamese nationalism discourse was narrow and rarely included other communities. Stop. However, tribes such as the Missings, Deoris, Ravas, etc. have still consistently supported the Assamese movement against the imposition of Bengali language or Hindi in Assam. Stop. But in turn, they now find themselves consistently marginalized, with their linguistic and cultural heritage de-recognized by the state and the hegemonic forces. Stop para. The Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act CAA movement could have been a point of departure in the Assamese nationalism discourse. Stop. During the course of the movement, a new definition of Assamese indigenous was seen emerging. Stop. This definition was inclusive of tribal and other non-Assamese communities and was based on domicile rather than language alone. Stop. Demands were raised for protection of indigenous land, culture, and languages during the course of the struggle. Stop.